From Beyond 20. Today I want to talk about a form field that a lot of people don't know how to use. And that is actually located in the Incident Subcategory object, which is a lookup table that we use within our service catalogs to classify incidents and requests. If I edit the form here, you will see a lovely field here at the bottom that is almost always blank. This is the Service Catalog Action to Run field. Now, the Service Catalog itself, or as many service catalogs as you have defined in your system, have what is called a default action. So if you're using the standard service category subcategory classification and the subcategory holds your action, then you usually have a default action, something like, create an incident with this classification. However, maybe you have a specialized subcategory that in fact is not going to create a record or not create an incident. Maybe it's actually a subcategory that creates a problem, or a subcategory that sends an email or launches an entirely separate website. Well, guess what? You can in fact have a customized action per subcategory. Now, if you don't put anything in this field, it will just run the default action that's in your service catalog. But if you give that subcategory its own specialized action, then it will run that action instead. I have a couple of examples from clients that I've worked with. One of them was, in fact, a redirect to a different website. Their service desk had been receiving calls that actually they didn't handle, weren't actually part of their service catalog, but they wanted to be able to deflect those tickets without wasting time and without seeming like they weren't responsible. So in order to do that, what we did was we just set up a special action to run on that subcategory in the service catalog. They clicked on, hey, I want this help, and it sent them to the site they needed to go to in order to do that. Additionally, I have a client that wanted to use subcategory to launch a chat window through Bomgar. Well, you can do that here. You can actually have a catalog action that runs and creates a Bomgar chat session directly from the service catalog. That way you don't have to do it separately, and you can limit chat to just one basic service subcategory relationship, or maybe to several if you wanted to. But they added a subcategory called, chat with me, essentially. And what it does is it actually launches a Bomgar chat session. Now, all their other subcategories do the normal thing. They actually create an incident and classify it. But that one subcategory there for chat launches a chat window. So that's what this field is for. It is actually very useful if you find that your service catalog has maybe not 100% the same action needed when someone goes to the portal. Again, this is for the portal only, so this doesn't really work in the client. This is for when someone clicks on this in the service catalog from the portal itself. I hope this has been helpful. Subscribe to this channel, Beyond 20 LLC, and please visit our website at www.beyond20.com.